Your entry door does more than provide access to your home. It protects your family, boosts curb appeal, and helps keep your indoor spaces comfortable year-round. In Palmetto Bay, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms are part of daily life, your front door works especially hard. Over time, even the highest quality doors begin to show wear. Knowing when to replace your entry door can save you money, improve security, and enhance the look of your home. Here are some clear signs it may be time for an upgrade. Visible damage or warping. Palmetto Bay's tropical climate can take a toll on exterior materials. If your door is cracked, warped, rotting, or splitting, it's more than just a cosmetic issue. Warping can prevent your door from sealing properly, allowing air and moisture to enter your home. Wood doors are particularly vulnerable to swelling and rot when exposed to prolonged humidity and rain. Small surface issues can sometimes be repaired, but extensive structural damage often means replacement is the smarter long-term investment. Difficulty opening and closing. Your entry door should open and close smoothly. If you find yourself forcing it shut, lifting it to latch, or struggling with a sticky frame, that's a sign something isn't right. Shifting foundations, moisture damage, or general wear and tear can cause alignment problems. While adjustments may provide a temporary fix, ongoing issues typically indicate that the door or frame has compromised integrity. Replacing the door ensures proper alignment, easier operation, and better sealing. Rising energy bills. Have you noticed your cooling system running more often than usual? An old or poorly insulated entry door could be contributing to energy loss. Gaps around the frame, worn weather stripping, or thin materials allow cool air to escape and hot air to enter, especially during Palmetto Bay's warmer months. Modern entry doors are designed with improved insulation and tighter seals. Upgrading to an energy-efficient model can help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce monthly utility costs while keeping your home more comfortable. Drafts or moisture around the door. Stand near your closed front door and see if you feel a breeze. Drafts are a clear sign your door isn't sealing properly. You might also notice moisture, condensation between glass panes, or even water intrusion after heavy rain. These issues can lead to mold growth, damage to flooring, and long-term structural problems. Replacing your entry door with a properly fitted, weather-resistant option provides better protection against the elements. Outdated appearance. Your front door is one of the first things guests and neighbors notice. If it looks faded, scratched, dented, or simply outdated, it may be diminishing your home's curb appeal. In a community like Palmetto Bay, where well-maintained homes stand out, an attractive entry door can make a significant difference. Today's entry doors come in a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes, from sleek modern designs to timeless classics. A new door can instantly refresh your home's exterior and even increase its resale value. Security concerns. Your entry door is a primary barrier between your home and the outside world. If it feels flimsy, has a damaged frame, or features outdated locking hardware, it may not provide the protection your family deserves. Modern doors are built with stronger cores, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems. Replacing an older door can give you greater peace of mind and improved home security. Excessive maintenance. If you find yourself frequently repainting, resealing, or repairing your door, it may be costing you more in time and money than it's worth. Newer materials like fiberglass and steel are designed to withstand humidity, sun exposure, and storms with minimal upkeep. Upgrading to a low-maintenance option means less hassle and more time enjoying your home. Replacing your entry door in Palmetto Bay isn't just about appearance, it's about comfort, safety, efficiency, and long-term value. If your current door shows signs of damage, drafts, or outdated design, investing in a new one can transform both the look and performance of your home. If you're unsure whether it's time for a replacement, consider scheduling a professional inspection. A high-quality entry door tailored to your home and local climate can make a noticeable difference from day one.